Hello, today we are going to make barfi. You need some dry fruit to make barfi. Today I have took cashew, almonds, some cardamom and fried watermelon seeds. Cut them in half or in some shapes. You'll need to cut them nicely. Take some chickpea flour, 1 cup. Keep 1 tablespoon of butter or ghee. Keep 1 teaspoon of milk. Keep some khoya in a hot pan, so mix it well. Now remove that from the pan and keep some ghee. Keep the chickpea mixture in there. Mix it properly until it is well blended to the ghee or butter. It should look something like this. Now add the khoya or kuroni and mix it well until it is dry. Once it has dried, keep some powdered sugar in it and mix it really well. Once it is mixed, it should look something like this. Now add some roasted watermelon seeds, keep it in a tray and keep some dry fruits which we have cut previously and let it sit for 1 hour in room temperature. Once it is set, it should look something like this. It is really easy to follow and it is very delicious. If you like this, please subscribe to this channel for more of these. See you next time. Bye.